My name is Ian Palmer. I'm the Managing Director of The Marketing Cafe. We're a creative agency that specialises in producing customer magazines as well as branding, advertising, multimedia and the web. The key elements of IT that we use in the business are desktop computers, mobile devices, smartphones for communication and just quick and easy access of emails on the move. We use graphics tablets, we also use a server system, and we have laptops, which are obviously also good for working on the move from home or travel. In terms of the cost of our IT, overall since we started, if we consider the original purchase price, probably we've got around about £25,000 worth of equipment. Technology does move quickly and depreciates and devalues. For example, the latest computers that we bought are faster, more effective, more efficient and more productive than some of the older machines that actually cost us more to buy, but that is the nature of buying IT. We also use cloud or online services. Cloud computing is a way of accessing technology and software online rather than having to buy a software package and load it onto your computer. The benefit of that is it's a bit more flexible in terms of using it for multiple users. The cost is much lower because you don't have multiple licenses to pay for, and it enables us to get closer to the cutting edge of technology. When I'm outside the office, I can access the IT system using an online login service, which we can very easily, through the internet, download files, work on them, and then upload them back up again to the server. A networked IT system for us is vital. If you're a one-man band, it's just your computer and that's your network. But as soon as you start to employ people and you have a number of people working on various projects, or maybe you have a number of people working on one project, then they need to be able to access that from a central location. It's just far more efficient, far more effective and a safer way to store data. The best solution for us has been buying our IT through the IT supplier or IT maintenance supplier who knows our system and knows what our needs are and knows how we work. We found our IT supplier through a recommendation, and we have a specialised system that we work with because of the creative work that we do. We needed someone that knew how to work with those types of products and that type of IT, and also had a good network and could get to us quickly if we needed them to respond to a maintenance issue. Our largest IT cost was the purchase and implementation of a server and backup system, which was essential to us at the time because with goals to grow and develop the business, we needed to be sure we had the right infrastructure in place. On an ongoing basis, our IT doesn't need a lot of maintenance. It tends to run itself quite efficiently. We do have a maintenance contract, obviously, that if anything goes wrong, someone will be on the scene to fix it. If I was setting up an IT system again, the key thing that I would do differently, just because of my experience, would be not to buy anything that had been used before when it was second-hand. We have in the past purchased used items, and that has never been a good result. 3 top tips in deciding what IT is needed. Firstly, I would recommend that you do the research and that you know what the latest technology is, so it's not superseded the next day after you buy it. The second is buy a system that is big enough for you to grow into, rather than getting something that's just sized for where you are now. Think about where you're going to be in 2 and 3 years' time and grow into a system. And thirdly, it might be a consideration to look at leasing, because if you want to stay at the forefront of technology, you don't want to invest in a lot of equipment that then you hold on to because you had to pay for it and therefore I'm not going to let go of it.